Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of foreign exchange markets. The first one to look at is the euro against the dollar, countering bullish harami yesterday to the recent bearishness. However, this was no fresh bullish factor that had entered the market. Rather, it was a reaction to touching the long moving average that's just below the market, currently at 118.36. The reaction only got as far as the lesser Fibonacci levels at 118.97 and 118.87. We're now also entering congestion support from August through to November last year, between the June 2018 high at 118.51 and the 50% Fibonacci line of the June 2020 to January 2021 move at 117.58. Finally, we still have target X in the 118.05 area. That's the target for the action so far in 2021, being a halfway hesitation. Though we've come close to it, so close to it that you might actually call it reached, but we'll see. So far today, a fresh attempt lower, though limited in scope. We're still stuck in the lesser Fibonacci levels at 118.97 and 118.87, seemingly reluctant to move down to the long moving average below. We still have the full target X and then the congestion previously mentioned. Cable, aka sterling against the US dollar. A bullish white soldier yesterday after the previous session's indecisive spinning top. However, the rise stopped short of testing the overhead rising combination of the short moving average, currently at 139.48, and the more important middle time, currently 139.53, of the late June to late September 2020 bullish shift pitchfork. Interestingly, yesterday's main body action captured the range between the nearest support congestion below in the 138 even to 138.15 area and the overhead resistance congestion in the 139 even area. Further down, we still have the January congestion between 137.5 to 136.5, and emerging from this is the gently rising short medium moving average, currently at 137.54. And still within it, we have the November 2020 to date uptrend, currently at 137.16. So far today, a dip back into yesterday's main body, but a pullback up towards yesterday's close. Euro against sterling. An indecisive spinning top yesterday, but still the lowest close since February 2020 and the second lowest low as well. The market is being very circumspect about its approach towards the two targets below. That's target X2 for the second quarter of 2020's head and shoulders top in the 85.15 area and target X1 in the 84.75 area. That's the target for the recent sideways triangle. Well, let's just wait and see. So far today, a fresh attempt lower, but limited so far. We haven't as yet breached the low made 2 weeks ago at 85.41. US dollar against the Indian rupee. A reactionary bearish closing long black Mariposa yesterday, one that punched down through the declining partnership of the middle time, currently at 72.94, of the early November 2020 to late January 2021 bearish Andrews pitchfork, and the short medium moving average, currently at 73 even. However, whilst reactionary, I suspect it may be an exaggerated expression of the desire of the market to use those two factors, as you like, as market attractors. In other words, prices didn't drop down far enough to make it look like a truly bearish move. So far today, a pullback up over the medium, on the middle time, but halting over the short medium moving average, the attractor feature seemingly in full operation. US dollar against the Brazilian real. A bearish harami yesterday. What is more, with Monday's action taken into account, these two could possibly set up a 2-day bearish tweezer top. However, we'll have to wait a day or so to find out, but it's one worth watching. Interestingly, the market closed just below last October's 580.87 high, something that may support the bearish tweezer top idea, though still watch out for that. US dollar against the Mexican peso. A bearish engulfing pattern and possible pipe top yesterday, The action of the day was perfectly defined by two key levels. Below by the long moving average, currently at 21.1371, and overhead by the 50% Fibonacci line of the July 2017 to April 2020 move at 21.5854. It was only the close of the day near the long moving average that really gave an idea of the potential. Well, so far today, a small test up to the next overhead resistance, the lesser Fibonacci line at 21.2711, before a pullback to unchanged, and we're looking to see if we can test that long moving average below at the moment. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer with this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.